Intervention video. Introduction to the Key Stage 2 Year 3 English Grammar, Punctuation and Spelling Intervention. Why is literacy important? Providing every child with the skills they need to read and write well is a fundamental pillar of our education system. 1. Developing strong literacy skills has a positive impact across the curriculum. And 2. It is crucial in influencing the opportunities children and adults have available to them throughout their lifetime. So moving on to this targeted intervention. So the grammar, punctuation and spelling intervention. This has been adapted from a school that has implemented a 15-minute daily class intervention time to focus on grammar, punctuation and spelling. One strategy they use in this time is the CGP Key Stage 2 Grammar, Punctuation and Spelling Year 3 Workbook. This evaluation has been set up as a targeted, small group intervention to help schools test if this approach shows promise before you could roll this out across your class. Small group targeted intervention. So the CGP workbook is designed to help your pupils master Year 3 spelling, punctuation and grammar. It's packed with bite-sized bursts of practice at a perfect level for Year 3 pupils, and there's a fun puzzle at the end of each section. That's a direct quote from the book. In each workbook, the full answers to every question are included with a progress chart. The workbook includes 20 10-minute activities for grammar, punctuation, spelling and mixed practice. So this should reduce planning time for teaching assistants when delivering target interventions in your school. The tests that are set in the book are ideal for the teaching assistant to work through with the learners, and we've allocated 15 minutes just to add an extra 5 minutes onto this to allow the teaching assistant to go through any concepts that the students are struggling with. Because there was 20 10-minute activities, this breaks down as a daily activity for a 4-week intervention, and it will give you a good idea to see how this intervention works in the context of your school. So research evidence. Short targeted interventions. Research consistently shows that short targeted literacy sessions can be highly effective, especially when they provide immediate reinforcement of a skill. Small group learning. The Education Endowment Foundation's Teaching and Learning Toolkit. The average impact of the small group tuition is 4 additional months progress on average over the course of a year. Evidence shows that small group tuition is effective, and as a rule of thumb, the smaller the group, the better. Once the group size increases above 6 or 7, there is a notable reduction in the effectiveness. And teaching assistants. The EAF Teaching and Learning Toolkit explains that research which focuses on teaching assistants who provide one-to-one or small group targeted intervention shows a stronger positive benefit of between 4 and additional months on average. What we're doing at What Worked is we're building an evidence base initially for the impact of small group learning, and then we will scale this to class level with the delivery of the mini RCTs. But initially, we're just focusing on small group TA-led interventions. Next steps is to move on to watch the implementation overview video.